Hello, so in this video, I'm going to tone my hair. My hair is brassy at the roots. I'm sure you could see that really well in this light. I don't know what to expect because T18 usually, that's what I'll be using, usually works for not orange. Orange needs blue to cancel. But we're gonna see. Today is gonna be a little bit of an experiment to see if it can help tone some of this color a little bit. So if you have like a similar color as I do, maybe this video you might have similar results, but this is like my color. So I'm using T18 10 developer because I don't want a lot of lift and damage to the rest of my hair. I really just want to deposit the color. A bond booster to help preserve the integrity of my hair. I have gloves and I have an applicator bottle. And then I have a repair hair mask for when I'm done. I'm going to mix all of the ingredients together. I won't bore you with that part, but it's like literally pour all of these. Oh gosh, I don't know if I get all of this. Literally put this into there. So I'm gonna do that really quick and I will check back in. Oh my gosh. Whoa, that's pretty. We're all mixed up. I love how easy the bottle is because you just shake it and it's good. I'll just apply this and speed this part up really fast. So also, you guys aren't super bored, but I'm just gonna apply this, you know? And once I get this applied, it'll be 30 minutes. I honestly don't think it'll do anything for my roots, but I'm just hoping that it does something because I am really not loving my roots right now. I just don't think that it's a good look. It's too brassy for me. I know for sure this will give me like a really cool icy color on the blonde parts, but I would love if it helped with my roots. Oh my gosh, because I could, worst case scenario, I could just lighten them, but I'm really trying to get it to where my natural color starts to blend. And my natural color is a little bit of a strawberry blonde slash like dirty blonde, but it's definitely not that orange. I got that orange because I put 20 volume developer on and it wasn't enough to fully lighten it, just enough to make it brassy. This would be really nice if somebody else could help me. Any volunteers? Just kidding. Now the fun part. How the heck am I gonna get this on the rest of my hair? Oh, hello. I used to just do 20 developer on everything, but the last thing it needs is for the blonde parts that are like fully lifted to get more just damage. Oh, shoot. I forgot a very important detail. Your hair is supposed to be damp before you put toner in. No wonder why it's being like this. What can you do? Can you just add? You know what? This is fully, like, we've gone full-blown experiment here. Just gonna wet my hands. Totally forgot that part. Oh my gosh. If you're watching this, please just don't follow along. Well, let's see if there will still be success even though I've like butchered it. I have no idea if this will work. I was just so excited to get started. I was just like, you know what, let's go. Let's put this on my hair already. And totally forgot. You know what, we just turned this into a science experiment, so maybe there's value in that. All right, I've got the toner on. It should start to turn purple. I'm gonna set a timer for 30 minutes. By that time, it should be like a deep purple and give it a rinse. See what we got. So that's the update. I forgot to show you guys. Look at my mug. So cute. Oh gosh, that's a terrible angle. Strawberry. It makes me happy. Highly recommend. Okay, we're back. It's been 30-ish minutes. My hair's looking purple, as you can see. My greatest fear is that the ends are gonna be overtoned purple and my roots are still gonna be orange. And then I'll just be looking like a FedEx label or something. So let's hope that that's not what happens here. But I'm going to rinse this out and dry it and I'll show you the final result. Now, woo! Okay, we are back. This is the verdict. I think it helped with the brassiness a little bit, but definitely not as much as I was hoping. I think the color looks pretty good. I'll probably show like photos, but that's the experiment that we did today. I think it has gone down though, and it definitely looks more natural. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Bye!